We are pleased to show you the 2017 Cherokee. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.2-liter engine, and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, electronic parking brake, roof rails, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, fog lights, roof rack, power brakes. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, rear view camera, heated seats, airbags, front knee, auxiliary audio input, push button start, cooled seats, cruise control, trip computer. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.